Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to add Face Unlock onto your Redmi Pad 2 Pro. Let's begin! So, in order to add Face Unlock, you first want to go into your settings, and then you want to scroll down a little, and go into Face Data and Screen Lock. We can now go into Face Unlock, and we can add Face Data. So let's go into Next. But before we actually do that, we first need to set up our screen lock. So I will go with a very simple pattern. And of course we have information that we want, and we have to remember our password, otherwise we won't be able to do anything. So let's go into I got it. And we can now choose if we want to swipe from the left, middle or the right. Let's go into got it. And I will go with a very simple L shape as my pattern, but of course you can go with a pin or a password and everything. And after you have your lock screen, we can now go into Start. And once again, we have a nice attention that Face Unlock is less secure than the pin, password or a pattern, and our device might be unlocked with our photo or like people or objects with very similar appearance, which is very important to remember. Now you can go to Next. And now we want to pick up our little device, and we want to move our face into frame. And now, oh, we can't see our face clearly. Well, we could. Of course, this is very funny to record, and you want to make sure that you have a nice lighting conditions, because if you're going to register your data in very poor quality conditions, let's go with my pretty face. I can even go with, it's not the emoji I wanted. I wanted to do this. Okay. Yay, congratulations, you have your face data. And now we can lock the screen like this. And we should be able to unlock it by just using our face. As you can see, a little check mark appeared. And now we should be able to just do this. And yeah, we don't really have to input our password. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time!